Hi everybody, my name is Tabish Bilal and I'm from New Delhi, India. The word Tabish is an amalgamation of Persian and Arabic, which means something bright and warm. By education, I am a human resource professional. I started my career in the corporate sector, but after a very short stint, I quickly moved on to the social sector where I found my true calling. From a humble beginning as an educator, dealing with working with youth, I realized the true potential of good education as a tool to make impact, to create impact in the communities. This became the center of my approach towards youth empowerment. On that note, I consider myself very lucky to have that privilege of a good education. At 360 Plus Foundation, we go a level deeper on this. We believe in the power of educational travel and technology to empower youth from communities and geographies that otherwise would not connect to solve global issues. Through our programs, we build leadership skills, decision making, and critical thinking. My particular role involves program design, where each year we decide on a particular theme and the partnerships across countries and organizations within. The most exciting part of my job is the student selection part, where I get the chance to interact with our youth and see their true potential and momentarily feel a bit younger too. Our goal is to contribute to the student and youth movement across the globe and equip them with necessary leadership skills to solve global issues. Our beneficiary base extends to more than 10 countries right now, like India, USA, Syria, Lebanon, Afghanistan, and Mexico, to name a few. In the next 3 to 5 years, we want to extend it to 20 countries and impact more students within them. Through this scholars program, I hope to extend my ecosystem of support, expand my network of knowledge, and learn hard and soft skills. And since I talked about the power of learning through travel, this would be the time where I get to be on the other side of the table. Really looking forward to a positive response. Thank you.